Today on this video, I'll be putting some melted wax inside my bee traps and nuke boxes. Got some of them right there. Got some old wax right here, and I'm melting it right there. The reason we do this is the bees do not like the smell of new wood, so I'm going to be melting the wax and then getting it on the inside along the walls to give it that bee smell. So hopefully they will stay in the nuke box or go inside my trap. So let's get to it. Got it melting. Now, look at the bottom down there. You get a good look at it. Alright, see how this works. Just gonna put hot wax on here with this paintbrush.
So why are you doing this?
When we're doing it?
Yep.
To give the box a bee smell, so it doesn't smell like new wood.
Daddy,
Yeah.
do y'all do that every single time?
We're gonna do it on all the new ones.
Let me get a little closer. So we're doing bees. There's Daddy. There's Atticus. He's trying to look for some stuff. This is I don't know. This is the first time we've ever done this. We just got this done, and
You get them lids on all those?
not yet. Never stand in front of a beehive. Mountain of beeswax.
Now we didn't need some more.
Oh, you really need to eat this tonight, Daddy?
Yep, it's gonna be our food, our supper.
It
We
isn't.
call it bee stew.
No, it isn't.
Yeah.
Are you saying that?
All that good old wax, man. Let me have your scraper, Agus. Here's what it looks like inside. You can see the wax. That's a wrap. Putting wax in the boxes. In the next couple of days, we'll be hanging these bee traps. So see you on the next one.